Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change the default browser app on your Android device. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. To change the default browser guys, first you need to open your phone settings. Okay, in the phone settings guys, go to apps and notifications like this, and here guys slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option advanced, just tap on it, and here you can get option default app, just tap on it. From here guys, just tap on browser app, and here guys you can get the list of the web browser installed on your device. From here, if you want to select any of the web browser as a default web browser, just select that web browser. I am selecting Chrome, that's it. From here you can easily change the default web browser on your Android device. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.